Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Drop CSTM80 mechanical keyboard. And I know this looks a little different from the base version, but we'll get into why here shortly. And full disclosure, we did get this sent to us for free for an ad spot, not for this video, but our unboxing footage might be a little bit different than your experience. To start off with the nitty-gritty specs, the Drop CSTM80 is a standard wedge-shaped 10 keyless layout keyboard that boasts that additional F13 key. Out the gate, it comes with either Gatoron brown or Gatoron yellow switches, both of which are an acceptable stock switch. For the plate mounting, this does have a gasket-mounted system with easily replaceable pegs, and it overall gives a nice flex when typing. Beyond this keyboard has a hot swappable PCB with south-facing LEDs, and comes with a silicone dampening pouch in the bottom of the keyboard, as well as pour-on plate foam and socket and switch foam. It may not seem important, but those extra foams add some nice value acoustically, and you'll hear that later in the typing test. But overall, this keyboard comes packed full with all the bells and whistles you typically see in boards way above this price point, and it's just getting started. One of the huge selling points for this keyboard is the host of additional add-ons. From keyboard weights and switch plates to even the decorative top case. Yeah, you heard that right, the top case. The CSTM80 top case fits magnetically onto the inner polycarbonate case to allow for a quick and seamless aesthetic change. This is a super cool and innovative feature, but I'll admit it and say for a lot of people, it may not really serve much purpose. The top case does feel quite sturdy and well secured though. And it is a nice feature for those who like to change their aesthetics frequently to be able to get that quick color change without popping off keycaps or unscrewing the whole board. The stock CSTM80 comes with a black top case, polycarbonate plate, black shine through ABS keycaps, and aluminum weight. One thing I do want to note that's super nice to see is the Gatoron PCB mount stabilizers. While these aren't on the level of some well-tuned high-end stabilizers like TX or Stabies, they perform very well for what you see in other pre-built boards and have very little rattle. At the time of recording this video, you can pick up this keyboard from Drop for $130, and at that price point, I think it's packed full of features and a super solid price. While it doesn't come with more trendy features like an LCD screen or media knob, it's still super solid for the price, and the fact that it's in stock and ready to ship is huge. For those in the keyboard hobby, you know just how rare it is to get a solid keyboard that's readily available. Now, when Drop sent us this keyboard, they were nice enough to also send us 2 additional top cases, 2 plates, and 2 weights. And after trying the keyboard out, I liked it way more than I thought it would. So I figured it'd be fun to pick up some new keycaps and switches for it and make a build out of it. Unfortunately, I didn't get a typing test of the keyboard stock, but luckily Drop has typing tests for both switch configurations on their website. For the changes I'm making, I decided to use the aluminum top case, a brass plate instead of the stock polycarbonate one, and the stainless steel chroma mirror PVD weight. This adds a lot of heft to the board and gives it a more premium feeling. The brass plate provides a firmer typing experience compared to the polycarbonate, and I would say the overall sound is more high-pitched. If you were to purchase all of these add-ons, it would run you a total of $160 before tax, which is a tough sell considering that's more than the base keyboard itself. Now for the switches, I decided to pick up some CKX Haimu Pastel fly-in linears. These have a polycarbonate top, palm stem, and nylon bottom with a single stage 63.5 gram spring. These do come factory looped and overall had a very consistent feel to them throughout the entire batch I got, and are pretty cheap at $12.60 for a pack of 36. The keycaps are a set of OTC Modern Dolch from Omnitype, and I picked them up on sale for $42. I also went ahead and grabbed a kit of nice PBT accents from Canon Keys for $12 just to get some accent color in there. The aesthetics speak for themselves, and we already covered all the features, so let's just go ahead and jump into that sound test. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that sound test and all the information in this video. Overall, I'm extremely pleased with this keyboard at the base level, and I'm very happy with the end product we got. I think there's a ton of value in buying the $80 bare bones kit, or even the $130 pre-built version if you plan on only making a few changes, such as the top case and maybe keycaps to reach whatever aesthetic you want. The bare bones kit will be the way to go though if you want to add in switches of your own, or if you aren't a fan of Gatoron browns or yellows. And the best part is, if you want to ball out and get that custom keyboard feel at a comparable price to more boutique keyboards, and without the hassle compared to some other higher end options, the possibility is always there like I demonstrated. If you were or are interested in buying this keyboard and you stumbled across this video, I hope I was able to help you reach a decision one way or another. And as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.